I'm so excited. I'm going to be teaching 2 live trainings in the next few days. One is on AI, developed by myself and Dr. Justin Rose in Wilson. And the other one is the YouTube Academy in Asheville, North Carolina. This is the first time it's been offered in that area. With the AI class in Wilson, you'll walk away with a deeper understanding of how to appropriately use AI in your business for greater success. Bring your questions. For the YouTube Academy in Asheville, it is an all-day training. This is such a joy. We really get to do a deep dive, and the class starts at ground zero, setting up your YouTube profile, all the way up to real-world examples of people who have enhanced and made money on YouTube, so you can model them. To register for the one in Wilson, look up Wilson Community College Small Business Center. You'll find it, or on my small business Facebook page. It'll be listed there too. And then for the YouTube one, look up AB Tech Community College Small Business Center, and you'll find a link to register. Both have limited space. If you know anyone that might be interested, share this with them and let them know. I'm so excited to be offering both of these live coming up. Have a fantastic day.